Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam. قل من ينجيكم من ظلمات البر والبحر تدعونه تضرعا وخفية لئن أنجانا من هذه لنكونن من الشاكرين. Translation: Say, who rescues you from the darkness of the land and sea when you supplicate and call upon him aloud and humbly in secret, saying, if you save us from this crisis, we will be truly of the thankful. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned that who will save you when you are trapped in the jungles or in the sea. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma said that dhulumat al-barr wal-bahr meant severe difficulties and problems, and when a human being is afflicted with severe difficulties, he turns towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Those people who worship other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala leave those idols and gods and turn towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala at the time of these calamities. So when man is faced with severe difficulties and tests, he supplicate and call upon to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala aloud and humbly in secret. And he says that if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala save us from this difficulty, we must be among those who are the most thankful slaves of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and we will continue this thankfulness later on. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, قُلِ اللَّهُ يُنَجِّيكُم مِّنْهَا وَمِن كُلِّ كَرْبٍ ثُمَّ أَنْتُمْ تُشْرِكُونَ. Translation: Say, that is Allah alone who saves you from this and from every distress, yet even then you associate partners with him. So what happens that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala often saves the human being from those difficult times and tests, and when they are saved, then soon after being saved, they start to do the unthankfulness and the shirk, and they forget all those promises that they made to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala during that difficult time. This topic has been presented multiple times in Quran, and we have already studied this, and we will also study this in Surah Yunus and also in Surah Ankabut. In Surah Ankabut, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned that when you are traveling through the sea in a ship and the ship is in trouble, then you call Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and you worship purely Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and when he saves them towards the dry land, they suddenly start doing the polytheism and shirk again, so that they can become unthankfulness about the bounties that we have given them, and they start using those bounties, but they will know in the near future about their actions. This is the mindset and attitude of a polytheist heart, that whenever there is difficulty, he turns towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and whenever there is peace and health, then he turns towards the deities other than Allah. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us steadfast and tawheed and save us from any hint of shirk. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.